Okay, friends. So today we have got a very interesting subject that is options trading basics. You can call it a beginner's guide. Yeah, interesting information. And there is one more interesting thing in this that is a zero or a hero trade. The idea behind this zero or hero trade is I have given a trade which can become hero. That is, it can give a return of 10 times. 1 rupee becomes 10 rupees, 10 rupees become 100 rupees, and 100 rupees becomes 10 rupees or 10 rupees becomes 0. So that is the reason it has been titled as zero or hero. Please look at the video till the end. It's a very interesting information. Okay, now what is options trading? So an options is a derivative financial instrument that specified a contract between two parties, that is a buyer and a seller, for a future transaction of an asset at a reference point. Yeah. So it is basically a financial derivative financial instrument that specifies a contract between a buyer and a seller for a future transaction on an asset, that is on a stock or on a commodity, at a reference point price. Yeah. The buyer of the option gains the right but not the obligations because he pays the premium and he does not pay the full amount. So that is the understanding. The buyer of the option gains the right by paying the premium but not the obligations. He does not pay completely, he just pays the premium to engage in that transaction, while the seller incurs the corresponding obligations to fulfill the transaction. So that is the same the seller does. He also receives a premium when he sells a particular, if he writes down a particular option. Okay. So what is option contracts? Option contracts is an agreement that gives the owner the right but not the obligation, the same way what we discussed in the last slide, to buy or sell a specific asset at a specific price for a specific period of time. Okay, so we'll understand this better in the next slides. Yeah. So it gives the right but not the obligations by paying the premium and not the full amount. That is what the understanding is, for a specific asset at a specific price and a specific period of time. Yeah. So there are two types of options. One is call options, one is put options. So there are two positions. One is the buyer and the one is the seller. Obvious. The holder is called holding the long positions and seller is called the writer. So who is holding the short positions? Short positions are very risky, naked positions. So risk is unlimited in buying and holder long positions. The risk is limited. Okay. Let's go to the other slide. Sometimes it takes time. Okay, now what is a call option? Buying a call option means you are looking for the stock to go up. Yeah. If you are expecting the price to go up by a call option, selling a call means you are looking for the stock to go down. When you're selling it, risk becomes unlimited. When you're buying it, risk becomes limited. Okay, what is a put option? So buying a put means you're looking for the stock to go down. Vice versa, selling a put means you're looking at the stock to go up. Okay, so this is the understanding on the call options and the put options. Yeah, but please make sure selling is unlimited risk, buying is limited risk. Yeah. Now this is what the call options is all about. Basically, it is in the money, at the money, out of the money. Call options. The same we put out of the money, at the money, and in the money. So what is the difference between in the money, at the money, and out of the money? It is given here. Normally, if the current market price is $50, and if the strike price you're choosing is $45, it is in the money. If the current market price is 50, and if the strike price which you're selecting for any options is $55, it is out of the money call option. Okay, the same way it it is for the put options as well. And at the money is almost equivalent to the price of the security. At the money means if the current price is 50, then you're buying the strike price of 50. So that is what the under. It is very clear, very simple. Don't try to complicate things. Till here, options are very simple. Okay, now the options terminology is underlining specific. Underlining is basically a specific security or a stock or an asset. Option premium is the price which you're paying for that strike price. Strike price is pre-decided price. Expiry date is the date on which the option expires. Exercise date is option is exercised. Open interest total number of contracts that have not been expired. Option holder is the one who buys option. Option writer is the one who sells option. Okay, this is the terminology which is very basic, which will show in the next slide who is what and what is what. Yeah. So this is basically the terminology: expiry date, strike price, option type, open, high, low, close, previous close, last price, change, percentage change. Yeah. So this kind of, and this is for Nifty. The underlining value is 11,767. The strike price which we have selected is 11,900. This is the understanding. And if you see the open, the high, and the low, look at the difference. The open is at 118, the high is 125, and the low is 37. So there is a drastic difference. So this shows how volatile it is and how riskier it is. The percentage change from the last close is minus 61%. Can you believe it? So in a day, you are just wiping out your 61% of your value, and the other side, once the one who loses, the other guy. Market is all about like that. The one who loses, the other one gains. Yeah. So this is what market is all about. So this is the conclusion from this basic option trading video. One needs to understand option trading in detail to understand the risk associated with trading options. Options has a lot of strategies which reduces the risk to great extent, which we'll cover in other videos later. Okay. Please do paper trades before jumping to real trades in option trading. This is a mandatory requirement. Always do paper trade. Options are very risky if you don't know how to deal with it. Yeah. Hero becomes zero and zero becomes hero in option trading. So it is very dangerous, very, very dangerous if you don't know in detail about it. Yeah. So you should know in detail about it. Others don't jump into options. Money will be wiped out in minutes. So be careful. Okay. I don't recommend doing option trading to anyone except if you understand it well. Yeah. Please make sure it is very risky. Yeah. If one does not know about it. Okay, now this is what this slide is all about. I'm trying to show you how a hero becomes a zero. That is the trade, how people are making money and how people are losing money in options. You cannot get 100% return, 200% return, 300% in a day, but option does make it possible if you do it right. Yeah. So this is a simple example. On the before the expiry day, one need to do some homework. For example, this expiry is on 29th of October 2020. So before expiry, one needs to guess the closing of the possible expiry of Bank Nifty. Based on that guessing, okay, you need to buy the call options, or of like if you are expecting the Bank Nifty to close at 24,500 levels, then buy a call option of 24,500 levels on Thursday morning at 11 o'clock. On the expiry day after 11 o'clock, I'm saying, yeah, make sure you buy it only after 11. Okay, this is my experience, which is telling you to do it after 11, because there is in options there is always a time decay. The price decays due to the time left out. Yeah. So on expiry date, it becomes zero at times. Most of the times, it becomes zero. Yeah. So there is a risk involved in this. And if you are expecting the Bank Nifty to go down, then buy a 23,500 level put, yeah, strike price put on Thursday morning at 11, after 11, at on or after 11. That is the right choice to do this trade. Yeah. I don't prefer selling options on expiry day, as the price decay due to the time is almost done on the expiry day and the risk is limited. When you buy a call or put, and risk becomes unlimited when you sell a call or put, that is a naked sell, in fact. Yeah. Don't forget, this is a zero or a hero trade. So probability of return is 10 times return. 10 rupees becomes 100, or 10 rupees becomes 200 at times, and 200 or 100 rupees becomes zero most of the times. Yeah. So we term this as hero, as money can become so that is the reason, because 10 rupees can become 100 or 200. That is becomes we termed it as hero, and money can become zero. That is the reason we termed it this video as zero. Yeah, hero or zero. I'll check it on Wednesday once again and try to track this trade and give you a call or a put assumption based on the discussions we had till now. Yeah, so just watch on this before Thursday morning. Okay, let's see. I'll give you a trade. So this is the basic understanding which we discussed. The bank nifty is currently 24,075. Yeah, if you're expecting it will go 500, it will close 500 points up, then you can buy this. This like the last traded price is 204. We're expecting it will go down to 23,500. You can buy it. Last traded price of the put is 120.10. Okay, calls puts. Yeah, but the basic understanding is there will be premium eating ceremony going on till Wednesday evening. So don't touch it till Wednesday. On the Thursday, you can take a trade after 11. Okay, I'll once again repeat, I'll come on Thursday or Wednesday at night and I'll upload the trade which is to be taken. It's completely hero or zero trade. Yeah. So make sure you understand the risk associated with this trade. Okay. I tried to capture basic information, beginner's guide, you can say, for option trading. Yeah. Okay. And this is the disclaimer I put after every video. This is purely a educational purpose. This is not a stock recommendation. Everyone should do the due diligence before investing. This is my personal view, and everyone should take a decision on any stock I talk about by doing own independent research. Okay, I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantees of gains or losses of investment. Okay, friends, this video on option trading was all because of my subscribers. They requested me. It's quite risky. So until unless you're confident or you know about options trading, then only do it. Otherwise, don't do it, please. Okay. Okay, my friends. Money can wipe out in seconds in option trading. Money can come in seconds in option trading. So be careful, guys. Thank you.